Did you know Nuthatches are the only UK bird that can climb head first down tree trunks, holding on with their powerful toes? In ancient Greek mythology, sparrows were considered a symbol of love. The sparrow was the sacred bird of Aphrodite, the goddess of love, and symbolised true love and spiritual connection. During the mating season, a male blue tit will fluff out his feathers and rotate backwards and forwards, his head tilted slightly back. He may also bring foodie treats, such as caterpillars, to try and tempt a female. Until 2005, greenfinches were one of the most common birds. However, hit by the finch disease trichomoniasis, they are now a rarity in many gardens, and their population has declined by about 35%. Trichomoniasis can be spread between birds at garden feeding stations, so it's very important to regularly clean feeders and bird tables. The goldfinch's attractive colouring and appealing song meant many Victorians kept them as caged pets. The RSPB fought against the practice, but it was only in 1933 that the sale of wild birds was made illegal and that the wild goldfinch population began to recover. Did you know that a flock of goldfinches is called a charm? They're social birds, and once the breeding season is over, they can be seen roaming for food in flocks of around 40 strong. Groups of up to 100 have also been spotted. While starlings appear black at a distance, close up they have glossy green and purple iridescent plumage. In the breeding season, adults have yellow bills with different coloured bases depending on their sex. In males this is blue and in females pink. Their winter plumage is duller with white spots and the bill is dark. Juveniles are dull brown in colour, often with a pale throat. Jays are important dispersers of oak trees. The bird's specific name, glandarius, translates as of acorns, which alludes to the bird's habit of caching the nuts for the winter. A single jay may cache 5,000 in a season. Jays are also skillful mimics of other birds and animals. When threatened, they are likely to imitate the calls of tawny owls, sparrowhawks, and even domestic cats. Woodpeckers have shock-absorbent tissue between the base of the bill and the skull to cushion the impact of drumming. An unpaired male may drum as many as 600 times a day, whilst a paired male just 200 times.